after a sharp collapse that began in mid-January and lasted until early March, U.S. 10-year Treasury yields have traded in a fairly tight sideways range. Now, the indecision seems to reflect a balance between surprisingly resilient economic data on one side against some remnants of inflation and, perhaps most importantly, uncertainty surrounding the potential for economic disruptions due to evolving trade policies. Now, as it currently stands, the futures markets are pricing in almost no chance of a rate cut at the May 7th FOMC meeting and 3 25 basis point cuts by the end of 2025, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Now, this has fallen into a months-long trend of continually predicting coming rate cuts, only to be surprised at the strength of the current data and then pushing them further out. Now, May 13th will be a major day for economic data. Most interestingly, of course, will be the CPI figure. Expectations are for a 2.4% year-over-year rate, same as last month's. If that number surprises higher, it could push rate cuts further out and 10-year yields higher. Now, there's another interesting data point that many don't look at. It also comes out on the 13th, and that's small business optimism. Now, after surging higher in late 2024, it's fallen back sharply, presumably from concerns over tariffs. This data point could be important. Now, if a trader believes that yields could fall from here, they could sell the May micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 4.35 and target a move to the September lows of 3.68. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed above at 4.80. This trade can make $670 if the target is reached and risks $450 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that yields could rise from here, they could express that by buying that May micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 4.35 and targeting a move back to the cycle highs of 4.95, just shy of 5%. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed below at 3.90. This trade can make $600 if the target is reached and risks $450 if you're stopped out of your level.